Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by confirming the adapter fits your iPhone and current iOS. This avoids unexpected incompatibility. Once confirmed, charge the phone to a safe level and close music or call apps so the system recognizes new audio hardware. Now plug the Lightning Headphone Jack Adapter straight into the port. Apply steady, even pressure. Do not wiggle. You'll know it's seated when resistance eases. Once connected, leave it for a second so the phone can detect the accessory and switch audio. Now confirm the adapter is active by opening Control Center and selecting the audio output. You should see the wired accessory listed. If it's not listed, unplug and reinsert while the screen is awake. Once detected, adjust volume and EQ in Settings, Sounds and Haptics, or your playback app to match your headphone sensitivity. Play a familiar track at moderate volume and listen for clarity. If levels seem off, lower the volume and tweak EQ to prevent distortion. Fine adjustments here make a big difference. Finish by routing your headphone cable so it doesn't pull on the adapter. Secure it under a shirt or clip to avoid stress. If you get no sound, first disconnect and reconnect. Then inspect and gently clean the lightning port and adapter contacts with compressed air or a soft brush, because debris often blocks connection. Make sure to restart the phone and, if possible, test a different adapter to determine whether the problem is hardware. If software persists, update iOS. That typically resolves handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.